Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do flexi perm rod set on your stretched 4C hair. As you can see, my hair is pretty stretched out. I will post the process another time. I will be using the Organics mongongo-oil-style-setting-spray and also the brazilian-curly-cocktail-mousse. I'll post down links to these products down below. First, I'm going to start by holding my hair up and then starting with little sections by sections and doing the perm rods on each section. I'm going to start by first spraying the setting spray. Now the reason why I spray the setting spray is to set my hair and also reduce the frizziness of my hair before I add the curl mousse. And I add the curl mousse to help me get a good curl pattern. So if you're trying to do perm rods, I suggest you always use a setting spray because the setting spray will set your hair up well to be able to hold the curl pattern. After putting these products on my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and roll my hair around the flexi rod as you can see me doing. I'm going to keep on repeating this method throughout my entire hair. Now always remember that when you put in the product, you want to make sure you brush or comb out your hair so your hair is smooth and there's no tangles in your hair before you roll your hair out. Okay, now this didn't take me a long time because I'm working in a stretch state. Now if I was working in my strength stage, it would take me quite some time because when my hair is shrunk, it takes a bit of time for me to detangle. But when it's in a stretch state, it's easier for me to work on my hair. And this is the final how it looks when I was done. So I allowed my hair to air dry for a day. Because my hair was already in a stretched state, I didn't need my hair to dry for too long, so I only allowed my hair to air dry for one day. Now I'm going to take off the flexi rods, but I always make sure to oil my fingers before I touch my hair. After taking out all the flexi rods, I'm going to now divide all the curls. Now, when you take each curls that you made, you want to make sure that you roll it in the opposite direction to maintain the curl pattern. Okay, it's super important. And when you finish, I will take a pick comb and just create a little volume out of my hair by going down to the roots and picking out the roots so my hair looks more voluminous as I want it. And I just go ahead to style the way I want it to style. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on flexi rods. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. See you later.